favorite song that you were singing the other day in the car?
I don't know.
It was about something about you and how cool you are? Or maybe that you think you're sexy?
I'm sexy and I know it.
Ah, can you say that one more time?
I'm sexy and I know it.
So what does Daddy think about that?
I thought you're sexy and you know it.
You say that too.
Why are you sexy, Ryan?
I'm sexy and I know it.
Why do you know it?
I'm sexy and I know it.
Is that a song?
I know, but is there more to the song? Just that you're sexy and you know it?
Mm-hmm.
What about your brother? Is he?
No.
Just you? And what are you again, Ryan?
I'm sexy and I know it.
Aw. Hi, cutie. Whoa, look at those eyes. You're going to be a heartbreaker. Are you going to be all protective, Nick? She Daddy's little girl. Aww. Hi, Jaden. Are you sexy? No? Dancing? Oh, how does Mommy feel about all this?
Whatever.
Look at this dancing. You gonna be a star, Ryan?
No.
No? But you're sexy.
See, he doesn't do good on the girly dances either.
Oh, it's Nick do girly dances?
It's funny.